Make a great choice today with the 2022 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, clock, fog lights, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.